taste. And every night my mind is running around her. Thunder's getting louder and louder. Baby, you're like lightning in a bottle. I can't let you go now that I got it. And now all I need is to be struck by your electric
When he looked into her eyes, he learned the most important part of the language that all the world spoke. It was love. Something older than humanity, more ancient than the desert. What the boy felt at that moment was that he was in the presence of the only woman in his life, and that, with no need for words, she recognized the same thing.
पेश करते हैं इस साल का बेस्ट वेडिंग सॉन्ग मोहित लाल वानी की आवाज में।
Dear Amritan Show, today you start a new chapter in your life. We welcome you with open arms, and may Science blessings be with you always as you start a new journey today.
I mean, it's a beautiful day, and with patience and with gratitude to everything and everyone, we have come to this point and having all of you over to have such a beautiful celebration for the couple.
So as on today, the very auspicious occasion, we conclude our kalam by wishing the couple and all those who have attended the chongi, Sai bless you and all the best.
राजा जी जो थई ये राजा जी जो थई अल्लाह री अल्लाह ये राजा जी जो थई अल्लाह री अल्लाह 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 एक सोन जो रुपयो एक चांदी जो रुपयो
You intrigued me. You're everything I wanted and more. A level-headed, family-oriented, spiritually inclined, intellectually sound party animal.
I would have never imagined being so lucky enough to be marrying a man who loves me like you do. It's infectious, a little obsessive, but it carries me through everything. 3 years ago we danced under the rain at a wedding, and now we stand here at our own. A lot has changed since then, except one thing, which is that I knew in that moment I wanted to dance all my dances with you.
Everybody sing sorry, sorry, acha mahi de. Sorry, sorry, acha mahi de. Everybody sing sorry, sorry, acha mahi de.
You're my lobster for life, and I promise to hold your claw forever. Babe, I can't wait to embark on this new chapter together. Life is full of adventures and surprises, and I choose you for this odyssey.
Wow.
Well, hello, everyone.
Ladies and gentlemen,
Damn.
please give a round of applause.
Get your party favors ready.
The lovely couple,
Ahmed and Sharona.
Since Amrit came in, and since before as well, she took the hit, she started going out, she started partying, and that made everything easier for me. So, if I ever need you to make anything easy for me, I'm gonna let you know, and you can tell my parents, tell our parents, let you know as well.
तड़पावे हाय लुट जावे तन्नू तड़पावे हाय लुट जावे मेरा लाल कगरा तन्नू तड़पावे हाय लुट जावे मेरा लाल कगरा रातां नू नींद न आवे हाय नी मेरा लाल 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 हाय नी मेरा लाल कगरा हाय नी मेरा लाल कगरा बिल्लोड़ी तेरा लाल कगरा बिल्लोड़ी तेरा लाल कगरा हीरे लगवाए जदों कुमाला शिकारा दा होश उड़ाए मेरे लाल कगरे च मैं हीरे लगवाए जदों कुमाला शिकारा दा होश उड़ाए तेरे लाल कगरे ने तूने मजनू बनाए जेड़े जेड़े पीछे लगे अपा ओकरा ही धाए तेरे लाल कगरे ने तूने मजनू बनाए जेड़े जेड़े पीछे लगे अपा ओकरा ही धाए मेरा लाल कगरा आए नी मेरा लाल कगरा रातां दी
Actually, next door, that is the reason I made a small poem for this morning in my shower. I said, very, very common, okay? Don't laugh, okay? Said, roses are red, sky is blue, I love you, and if any time you miss me, I will not be far from ocean view.
इश्क ही
What we are getting today is maybe more than what we deserve. And with this extended family that we have got, Daswanis, we are really, truly, humbly blessed. We could see the connection, like how it was happening. And it is beautiful.
You make me laugh, you make me think, and above all, you make me happy, and for that I love you. I genuinely believe you were designed for me, and I for you, and today I stand here making the easiest decision of my life. I can't wait to be marrying her actually. A couple hours to go.
You're blessed and lucky to have this girl in your life, and she'll be the closest to you until one day one fine gentleman, handsome lad, tall dude, intelligent and sensible, very loving, with respect for elders and God, and of course law abiding. And I'm saying all these qualities in one person. Okay? Yes, all these qualities in one guy will come and hold your hand and take you away in his own world.
I can't wait to grow alongside you, but never grow up and always remain the big babies we both are, just learning how to do life. You have brought me so much happiness in my life, and I promise you, for the rest of mine, I will try to make you feel the same way.